Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. iYoowe is a dropshipping fulfillment platform. In here, we'll constantly share product recommendations and useful tips in dropshipping. So if you're willing to grow your business with us, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on our updates. Dropshipping is a great fulfillment method that allows you to source the product in your store directly from the supplier, and your customers will get the package directly from the supplier. This feature is one of the many perks that make dropshipping the most newbie-friendly e-com model. Dropshippers do not have to keep stocks. However, this also poses some problems that could cut your profit short or even damage your business. And that's what we're going to talk about in today's video. The risk of dropshipping and how to avoid them so to optimize your dropshipping business. Let's get started. Since you don't have to handle the products, the quality control is gonna be tricky, which is crucial for online business because once you fail at controlling the product quality, you have many headaches. Not being able to meet the customer expectations, selling inferior goods will get you negative reviews, hard to get repeat customers to your shop. Everything comes with a cost. The advantage of not having to handle the products that you sell also implies that you might be unknowingly sacrificing the quality of products that you are selling. But again, since everything comes with a cost, isn't selling products with better quality meaning a bigger cost and ergo a thinner profit margin? Not necessarily. Your business can still stay profitable when selling quality products, as long as you get the recipe right. Find a reliable supplier, perform test order, prepare high-quality images, follow customer reviews, execute after-sales service. Find a reliable supplier. Your suppliers are one of the most fundamental factors of your business. They should be considered as your business partner who play a supporting role. Ideally, when you get into dropshipping, you would choose the supplier who can provide you with high-quality products at a relatively cheap price, and who's dedicated to your supply chain sustainability and fulfillment efficiency. Perform test order. Practice makes perfect. If you are invested in the idea of growing a healthy business with happy customers, the only way to truly assure the product quality and the fulfillment service is by putting yourself in their shoes. Go ahead and place a test order. You'll be able to get the most genuine customer experience by doing so. Having the physical product in your hands, you'll also have a better understanding of the quality, function, which also helps you with a more authentic and engaging product description. Prepare high-quality photos. For online shoppers, the first impression of a product is important. Nice and neat product photos will definitely increase your sales. Getting the product images can be pretty easy. Just download the pictures from your suppliers and remove the watermark if there's any. However, while it's convenient, it might get you in trouble if the image is copyrighted. And more often than not, the quality of these images is just okay. Except the convenient way, you can also be your own product photographer or just outsource the product shooting task to your supplier. Either way, you get the appealing and original visual materials, which is useful for both brand image and marketing. Follow customer review. Customer reviews increase the conversion rate, trust, and ranking in the search result. Shoppers read reviews all the time. Positive reviews are a powerful determiner of whether they will make a purchase or not. Following up on customer reviews keep your business in check. Analyzing reviews help you understanding the overall customer satisfaction and make the adjustment accordingly in the timely fashion. Click here to find out how to get and optimize your customer reviews. Get efficient after-sales support. A good post-sale system is essential for generating customer loyalty and better conversion. Although the major cost of brick-and-mortar business is avoided by pushing your store online, the cost to maintain your customer satisfaction is now higher. Because one of the biggest persuasion of online shopping is the flexible and convenient return and refund policy. But is a bad after-sales service entirely the dropshipper's fault? Sometimes yes, but not always. Especially as dropshippers, it's hard to make sure of the product quality and agree on every return request. Because the products are normally produced in China and not every customer can be patient enough with the back and forth return nor the resend, which takes a long time. Well, no worries, iYoowe got your back. We offer thorough quality inspection of every product before shipping, careful packing and erase info about the original source and price of the product, shipping time commitment. If you want to know our money-back policy, I'll put the link of the shipping commitment in the description below. Make sure you check it out. So, in a nutshell, a reliable supplier should have the quality as follows: fast shipping, quality inspection, friendly return and refund policy, high-quality product images. The fate of your dropshipping biz rests in your supplier's hands, so you'll be needing suppliers that you can rely on. When it comes to shopping online or any kind of shopping really, products may disappoint your customers one way or the other. So it is also your duty as a seller to make sure that you provide all the pertinent info about your products so as not to cause any unpleasant surprises. No matter what type of business you are running or are considering, products is always the core. If you don't know what to sell yet, don't forget that we have product recommendation videos every week on the channel. Okay, that's pretty much all for today. Give us a thumb up if you do like this video, subscribe to us, and leave anything you want to share in the comment below. See you next time.